right, we have the Shield 13 round magazine. I couldn't find a video for how to disassemble this, so I looked it up on the instruction manual online, and I did find it, but there were no videos. On the instruction manual, it says to simply grab this portion of the magazine firmly and pull. If you're strong enough to do that, well, you should put a video up online of you doing so. I can't get it to quite come all the way off, and I've done it a few times now, loosened it. So when it's factory tight, it's nearly impossible to do. So what I chose to do, I just used a screwdriver to get into here and pry. Obviously, if you have a plastic prying, not really a screwdriver, but a plastic prying device, it's going to be a little bit less damaging to this portion right here. But all you have to do is get your screwdriver in there, pop it apart a little bit, and then this will come off. Now, typically, once you get this far, you're going to be under spring tension. This one actually is caught, so there's no spring tension right away. I still put my thumb there just in case, so you don't have a spring flying away. But what you do then is you can take off this part of the magazine here, whatever they call this. It's some sort of catch or the base plate. And then the spring is actually caught on these lips here. So once you get past this point, it's pretty simple. I think you can figure it out from there. But you'll see that the spring comes. If you need it to, you can work the spring out. I'm not going to do that right now. It's kind of a pain to get back in there. And then the reverse process, if you really need this part, you can probably figure it out. But this just sets on top. You don't even have to push it down. Take this part and make sure it's oriented the right way. Push that. Push that down onto the magazine. Ooh, of course, this is going to be the hardest part. It's really not that complicated. The hardest part is just realizing how to take that first part apart. But we'll stick with it. So that just really sets on top there. There's no clicking that goes. And you take your last piece and just slide it into place till it snaps. And you're good to go. So again, maybe after you do this a number of times, I see I'm getting to the point now where I can pop it off. But the first time you're going to need some sort of tool to get into that space and pry it off. Okay, that's it.